What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today we'll be going over how to get 3,000 subs and how I got mine. It's a really simple and easy technique to do. It does take a little bit of grunt work, but if you just have at least 30 minutes to an hour, or hell, even 15 minutes a day, this will prove to be very effective for you to let your channel grow at a pretty fast rate. Because I know a lot of you guys you're struggling how to get subscribers, and really the key point of this is like just make sure that you're tapping into other social platforms, other siphon traffic onto your channel. That's number one. Number two is that I'm gonna provide you guys with I guess you can call it a cheat code, to where when people click on your link, that it automatically tells them to subscribe, as opposed to just going directly to your channel and hoping that they subscribe. So I'll show you that. I mentioned this before in my previous video of me getting 1,000 subs, but I thought it would be great just to go over again my step-by-step process of me getting my subs. That way you guys can get monetized and make money in your sleep. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, here I am on Facebook. I mentioned this before in the previous video of me getting 1,000 subs, but all you need to do is whatever your niche is. So let's say, for example, as we have on the screen, it's dogs. And what you'll want to do is just sign up to as many dog groups as humanly possible without getting banned or without getting shut down. I think that Facebook has I guess it's a regulated amount of how many groups you can sign on to or request in a certain period of time. I don't know what that number is, but I'd say try 10 or 20 groups, and then once you do that, you're going to I'm not gonna actually, let's just do this. Once you do that, I'll go inside one of my groups right now. Let's see, this one. So once you're inside the group, let's say that it's dogs, for example, what you want to do is create a thumbnail. And I'm just going to use Canva. And then say we're doing YouTube thumbnail. Click on the blank one and then type in your niche, so dogs. So let's say that you're doing a video on really how to train your puppy, right? So what you'll want to do is, of course, you'll download this. Let's call it puppy. You're gonna download this, or wherever your thumbnail is. Doesn't matter. And then you're gonna go to your group. You're gonna upload that thumbnail. Alright, so you click your thumbnail. You would click open. And then so once you're in your post, so you just type in found a unique way to train your puppy. If you are interested, comment puppy below. So you do that, then you hit post. I'm not gonna do it now, but don't put your link in here. So the link that I'm gonna show you to put in here, or to actually provide to the people that are requesting it, do not put that link in here, otherwise Facebook might ban you. It's just FYI. But leave it like that, just like whatever your video is about, just say found a unique way to fill in the blank. And then if you're interested, comment puppy or comment whatever, whatever it's related to your actual video, and you put comment below, and then you post. And then what will happen is people will start, commenting, blah blah blah. And then once you do that, you'll give them. So here's quote unquote cheat code. You're gonna add this at the end of your URL. So what happens is, copy this. Boom. This will pop up. So that's why this cheat code is so important, from question mark all the way to 1 right here on this back end. Again, feel free to go down below my description and just copy the back end of this and attach that to your URL. So once you do that, again, you'll just highlight this URL, and then you'll go back in the group, and then the people that are commenting, you're gonna give them that URL, and then what'll happen is people will then go to your channel or go to this link, and then they'll just hit subscribe so they can view that content that you're telling them about regarding your puppy or whatever the case may be. It's a real simple and easy hack to do. I learned this about 3 to 4 months ago, and I've been doing it ever since. So you can hire a VA to do this, or again, if you have 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes per day, just keep posting and keep adding on different groups that are related to your niche, and just keep posting every single day if you can, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. And you'll gradually start building up your subs really fast. You'll basically create like a snowball effect, because what will keep happening is YouTube will see that you're gaining momentum and traction on your subs, and they'll kind of like relate your content to other related videos that are on the web or on the YouTube platform. So that's kind of what I do in a nutshell. Again, super easy to do. Just be methodical with it. Just take the time. Just schedule out 30 minutes a day of just 15 minutes adding groups, and then 15 minutes posting in groups, and you'll be well on your way to 3,000 subs. This is a great way to do it for your first 1,000, because you need 1,000 subs at the beginning in order to qualify to get monetized on YouTube. That's why it's so crucial. But yes, it's super easy. It's free to do. But again, if you have time, just keep grinding it out. I promise you, like within the first 2 or 3 months of you starting your channel, like you'll grow like wildfire. And again, I continue to do this every single week, and I will continue to do it until one of my videos goes viral. So that's all I have for today, guys. If you enjoyed the content, give your boy the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.